So ink is about a Singaporean family at a dinner table. It's about wanting to say what you want to feel, but not being able to. Yeah. Ink. We spend Saturday evenings in seances around steamboat dinners, tarot divinations of soy sauce ink blots on tissue paper. What do you see? My father transforms into a crystal ball. His eyes like ballerinas mid-twirl with regret, afraid to turn the sheet to find butterflies morphed into a wolf's head, caught between the jaws of his family, bamboo bent in brood starlight till he's taken away by a pair of angels. Interesting, he says, with neither scorn nor confirmation, mere concern for a daughter's shading out of line. Devils for both shoulders, her body broken like bacteria splotches under a scope. But we don't speak this truth. Instead, we read each other's palms with prophecy, squint past the shifting ink on our faces, and the night ends as it began, chopsticks stuck into bowls of rice as we pray to our silent gods.